Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are good. My name is Anam. I once again welcome all of you to the English class. Kids, before starting our class, first I would like to tell about etiquette. Etiquette of this week is get up early in the morning. Children, we should always get up early in the morning. Getting up early in the morning is a good habit. If we get up early in the morning, so our body remains healthy. Children, I hope you all will follow this good habit in your daily life. Now let's learn some GK questions. Tell me, which is our national sweet? Tell me, what is the answer of this question? Jalebi. Very good. Our national sweet is jalebi. Next question. Which is our national game? Tell me, which is our national game? Speak with me. Our national game is hockey. Repeat after me. Our national game is hockey. Children, now let's read some sight words. Look at this sight word. Tell me, which sight word is this? See. Repeat after me. See. Now see this side word. Tell me, which side word is this? The. Which side word is written here? The. Now let's move to our next topic. Children, today we will revise how to change Hindi names into English. You have already learned this topic in your last class. So I hope everyone will know very well how to change Hindi names into English. Children, look at the screen. Read this name. P-L-K. Pa-la-ka. Palak. Tell me how you will convert this name into English. Look at first letter. First letter is P. Tell me, for P, what you will write in English? P. Very good. P says P. So here I have written P. Children, P says P. P, not Pa. Children, when we speak Pa, so we get a sound also with Pa. For converting Hindi Pa into English, we need to add A with P. Children, if you will not add A with P, so you will get half sound P, not Pa. So for converting Hindi letter into English, we need to add A. P-A, Pa. Next letter is La. Tell me how you will convert La into English. For La, what you will write in English? L. L says L, not La, but you have to write La. Tell me, for converting Hindi La into English, what you have to do? Very good. You have to join A with L. When you join A with L, then you will get whole sound L-A, La. Pa-la-k. Pa-la-k. K. For K, what you will write in English? K. K says K. K says K. Now we will write here K. Children, Pa-la-k. K. Here we are not getting whole K sound, so we will write only K. We will not add A with K. Read this name. Which name is written here? Palak. Read this name. This is Ma, this is Ha, this is Ka. Ma, Ha, Ka, Mehak. Children, tell me how you will convert this name into English. Look at first letter. First letter is Ma. Tell me, for Ma, what you will write in English? M. Children, M says M says not Ma, but you have to write Ma. Tell me, for writing whole ma, what you have to do? Very good. We need to add A with M. When we join A with M, then we can read this sound ma, M-A, ma. Now next letter is ha. For ha, what we will write in English? H says h, not ha. But you have to write ha. Tell me, for converting Hindi ha into English, what you have to do? Again, you have to add A with H. H-A, ha. Ma, ha, ka. Ka. For ka, what you will write in English? K. K says k. K says k. So here we will write only K. We will not add A with K. Children, ma, ha, ka. Here we are not getting whole ka sound. So we will write here only K. Read this name. Mehak. So children, I hope you all have understood how to convert Hindi names into English. Now let's move to our main topic. Children, today we will do an activity before starting our topic. Do you want to do activity? Okay, now let's start. Children, can you tell me which color is this? Blue. And now see this color. Tell me which color is this? Yellow. So here you can see two different colors. Children, do you know if we mix these two colors together, what color do we get? Now let's mix these two different colors and see what color we get. Children, here you can see blue color. Now we will mix yellow color with blue color. Tell me, what color can you see after mixing these two colors? Green color. Children, after mixing these two different colors, we get a new color. How did we get the green color? After mixing two different colors. In this way, we can create any new color by mixing any two colors together. Children, I hope you all have understood how to make a new color. Now, look at this letter. Tell me, which letter is this? E. Tell me, what is the sound of letter E? A. Okay, now see this picture. Tell me, which picture is this? Can. Now look at this word. Can you read this word? Tell me how we will read this word. We will read this word with the help of sound. Children, read with me. K, a, can. Children, here C is a consonant in this word and A is a vowel and N is a consonant. So we can say k, a, Can is a CVC word. Now let's add letter E to the CVC word can. Tell me, what word do we get when we add the letter E at the end of this word? We get a new word after adding letter E at the end. Children, after adding letter E, can becomes cane. Children, as you know, after mixing two colors, we get a new color. Similarly, after adding letter E at the end of any CVC word, we get a new word. But when we add letter E in the last of any CVC word, so the sound of first vowel change its own name. K, E in. But in this word, you can hear the sound of a letter. The sound of a letter is a, k, a, n, can. So in this word, you can hear the sound of a letter, not name. But in this word, you can hear letter A by its own name. K, in, a. So you can hear letter A by its own name. Children, whenever we add E at the end of any CVC word, so we do not hear the sound of the letter E. Letter E remains silent. Children, look at this picture. Tell me which picture is this? Hat. Now read this word. Here you can hear the sound of a letter, not name. T. Hat. Now let's add letter E to the CVC word hat. Tell me what word do we get when we add the letter E at the end of CVC word? We get a new word. Children, after adding letter E, hat word turned into hate. Children, when we join E in the last of any CVC word, so the sound of first vowel turns into own name. So here, hat word turned into hate. Children, whenever we add E in the last of any CVC words, so E doesn't make any sound. E is always silent. Children, see this picture and read this word. G, A, P, gap. Now let's add letter E with this word. Children, tell me in which word will the word gap change after adding E letter? Very good. Gap word turned into gape after adding E letter. Children, whenever we add E at the end of any CVC word, so E doesn't make any sound. Letter E never makes their own sound. Children, I hope you all have understood concept of letter E. Children, now let's do some practice. So take your pencil eraser and notebook with you. Now I am going to speak dictation of ACVC words. So write the dictation and today's date in your notebook. Children, write first word pat. Pat. Children, first you will listen very carefully which word ma'am is speaking. After that you will write that word in your notebook. After pat, you will write mat. Mat. Now write next word tap. 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 Now after tap, you will write nap. Nap. Next word write bag. Bag. Children, after writing dictation, you will match all your words with these words. Now it's time for homework. Children, what do you have to do in homework? Color the correct spelling of given names. So you have to do this work by yourself. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye children.